Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. First and foremost, I'm going to start my self tanner routine, and this is the tan eraser, so you remove your previous tan before you go ahead and apply the new tan. And don't forget, I will link everything in the description box down below for you guys so that you know exactly which products I used and bought. So I'm going to go ahead and rub the tan eraser all over my body and let it sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes before I go in the shower. And I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate, tan, and I'm also going to shave and just make sure all the tan is off before I put the new tan. I love this Bondi Sands body wash and the Mit. It really helps get the old tan off, and I also have the sea scrub. After I get out of the shower and I'm nice and exfoliated and shaved, I'm going to go ahead and use the Bondi Sands Dark Self-Foaming Tan, and I'm going to use the Mit that it comes with, and I just use a few pumps, maybe 3, and you want to make sure you shake it before you pump it. And I'm just going to do some long strokes and circular motions, and you literally just rub it all over your body, and it might look a little blotchy, but I promise you, after you take a shower later, it is going to look so beautiful. When I'm done with my whole body and I want to do my feet and my hands and my face, I just use whatever's left over on the Mit instead of using more foam. Bondi Sands also has a back applicator. I personally have my husband help me with my back just because it's hard to use it. So if you have a hubby, that's a bonus. Alright guys, so my husband helped me finish putting the rest of my tanner on. It's kind of complicating recording this because I don't want you guys to see me naked. But that's my routine. I do it once every 2 weeks or so. Sometimes once a week if I'm like going out or something and I want to look tan. But so I'm going to let this sit on me for about 6 to 8 hours. Again, I recommend doing this on a day where you're not going to see anyone, or it's your day off and you're just hanging out at home. And I just like to wear a loose long sleeve shirt and loose pants so that I don't get it all over my house. And after I am done letting this all develop, I'm going to dye my hair, and I'll show you guys that routine too. I just have to touch my roots up because they are bad. I know it looks so crazy right now and blotchy, but I promise you after you take the shower, it's all gonna like melt on your skin and like be even looking. So don't worry about that, and make sure you guys get everything that you need. So I'll make sure to link everything for you guys so you can see it all. Hi guys, it's been about 6 to 8 hours since I've applied my self tanner. It's pretty much developed now. I just have to rinse off so it doesn't look so splotchy. It looks so much better after I take a shower. So after I do that, I'll show you guys how I look with my tan. But before I take a shower, I'm going to go ahead and also touch my roots up. I have to usually touch my roots up at least once every few weeks to a month. My natural hair color is pretty light. It's like a light brown, dark blonde kind of look. And so you guys can see my roots are coming out really bad right now. And it's definitely time that I need to redo them. So I'll show you guys how I touch my roots up myself. And then after I color my hair and do that, I am going to do a keratin treatment on myself. Basically, keratin treatments smooths your hair and it tames frizz for up to 6 months. And it literally is life-changing. I wake up, take a shower, let my hair air dry, and it dries beautifully as if I flat ironed it. So I'm super excited about that. I haven't done one on myself in a long time. So since it's summertime, I think it's the perfect time to do it. So the color I'm going to be using on my roots is from Tang, and it's from his My Identity line. And the color I'll be using is 1NI. It's black, and I just love this color line. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up and show you guys how I touch my own roots up. So So I'm going to take my coloring bowl and my guide Tang 1NI black, and I'm going to be doing equal parts with 10 volume. Now I can actually just do my roots, but since my color is fading a little bit and I'm about to do the keratin treatment after I color my roots and stuff, I might as well do my whole head to just freshen up my color. It has faded a little bit, so I just want it to be all over black. So of course, you want to make sure you're wearing a shirt that you do not care about or a cape. Again, I'm doing this on myself, so it would be a little different if I was in the salon doing this on someone else. So personally, this is how I do it from home on myself. I just grab some gloves, wear a shirt I don't care about, and put a big blanket that you don't care about or a towel on your floor in case the color falls on the floor. And a fine-tooth comb with a highlighting stick on it. And I usually just like to part my hair down the middle. Your hair is all brushed out. So since I'm going to be coloring my whole head tonight, I'm going to use a whole tube for my hair. Alright, so basically, after you have your hair parted down the middle, I'm just going to use this fine-tooth comb with the highlighting stick on the end to keep parting small sections at a time and just paint on the section.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So as you guys can see, I'm basically just taking small sections at a time with my comb, and I'm making sure that I cover all of my regrowth. And then after I'm done covering each section, I'm going to go ahead and use the color all over my hair. After I'm done letting my color process and I wash it out, I'm going to go ahead and start the keratin treatment. Unfortunately, it is a chemical, so it's very dangerous if not used by a professional, so I'm not going to show that part, but I will show you the details on how it looks after. I absolutely love this self-tanner. It is so easy to apply, it's not blotchy, and I do it once a week, or once every 2 weeks. Super simple and easy to do, and I love looking tan. My hair turned out so beautiful. I wish you guys can touch it through the screen. It is literally silky soft, so shiny, absolutely no frizz, and this lasts up to 6 months. I love this treatment. All my clients love it too. As you guys can see, my hair is brand new. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine, and then tomorrow I need to go get my nails redone. They are really ratchet right now. I've broke some of them, this one right here and that one right there. So I'm gonna get my lashes, my eyebrows, and my nails and my pedicure done. Okay, so first off with my skincare routine, I am going to use my Skin Revitalizing Essence. This is going to replace your toner. Little tip that I like to do is keep it in my skin fridge so it's nice and cold and it feels so good on my skin. Then I'm going to go in with my anti-aging serum. This prevents and reverses skin damage and aging. Then I'm going to go in with my vitamin C serum. This gives you that natural glow and it's very good for your skin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my nighttime moisturizer. This is called the Night Haven. And let me tell you guys, I feel this moisturizer working as I apply it. I literally feel my skin firming and it just feels like the perfect balance of moisture, but not too oily. But it's a dream. I highly recommend this moisturizer. My skin has drastically gotten better since I've started using this. Last but not least is my eye smoothing serum for your under eye area. It gets rid of dark puffy circles. Alright, that's my nighttime skincare routine, and I will show you guys my daytime skincare routine before I go to the salon tomorrow to get my nails and my brows and my lashes done. I'm currently at the nail salon. I'm going to take you guys with me and show you how I get my lashes, my brows, my nails done. They look so bad. So let's go. So my girl Liz is waxing my eyebrows, and as you guys can see, I do have microblading. It's very old and I need to get it touched up on my eyebrows. So if you guys want to see a video of me doing that, please leave me a comment down below. If you guys like these lashes I'm about to apply, they are mink and they're from thefacewardrobe.com. You can use my discount code BEAUTYDOLL. The way that she applies these lash strips is so cool and it lasts all month. Not to mention it's way cheaper than eyelash extensions. She basically takes 2 pairs of eyelashes and sandwiches it onto my real lash. I've never seen anyone else do this before, so I'm not sure if other salons promote something like this, but she is amazing. I love it. Life-changing. I wake up every day and have lashes on. Now this process of doing this actually damages your real eyelashes, so I don't recommend it if you want your natural lashes to stay healthy. I personally don't care because I love the way I look with false lashes on every single day, so as soon as I'm ready to get them removed, I just put some new ones on again. They turned out so beautiful. I love my lashes. I cannot live without them. I'm sorry. And I forgot to record before the salon my daytime skincare routine. So this is basically the same process that I do at nighttime, except I switch my moisturizer to a daytime moisturizer. And I'm obsessed with my skincare, guys. If you're interested in trying this, I will link everything in the description box for you.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other video requests, leave them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this, my beauty in-depth routine. And until next time, bye.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide. It keeps pulling me in.